Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 22nd day of April 2026. And here we go. The setup is as follows. The sellers made a really nice move down. The buyers have come back the other way. And we get our first strong candle indicator coming back long. So we're going to take this candle going long. And for how much? I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 50 to 100 ticks in length. So we're going to go ahead and use our 20, 50, and 100 ATM. So we'll pair that to the volatility of the market, and here we go. This is how it all went down in the live trading room today. We go ahead and put a cover order on, and we'll let it run. Okay. All right, first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, and we wait for our first target to get hit. As soon as our first target gets hit, we're going to de-risk the trade. We'll get another trade ready just in case. I'll show you why in just a second. All right, now that our targets are set, we'll go ahead and speed it up. We'll go to 4-time market speed. And we just need to do a little bit of a sweat here. What I mean by a little bit of a sweat, when the market goes against your position for a period of time, that's called a sweat, right? So until our first target gets out, we'll just have to keep breathing, trust our indicators, trust our plan, and just wait for it to do its thing. Now, again, this is going 4 times. First target's out. You can see our stop went from all the way down here to a break-even position. If the market now comes back and takes us out, we will have broken even, and we'll have the opportunity to re-enter the signal if that's what we choose to do. And it's just a hedge. I mean, if this wants to come back and plunge short, we're going to make sure we're not involved in the recoil. So 5 minutes are done. Second candle's in. We're just getting started here. All right, second target's out, which means we can't lose any money. We can only make money on this particular trade. So now if it comes back, I have one stop, one contract out at minus 18. We're already 90 ticks into profit. So we're 72 ticks in profit if it comes back and takes us out this point. Just waiting to see how this all works out for our larger target. Boom, it's out. So this trade took 4.5 minutes to complete and I'm sorry, take that back, 9.5 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 9.5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you'll get these really nice strong candle indicators and how to use them. So we look forward to seeing you in live trading room very soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.